All right, let's begin with today's IEP goal: English, language arts, and reading. Objectives: by the end of 9 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Matthew will read, listen to a sentence describing an action verb, and change the sentence verbally to state the verb's past tense at a 70% rate of accuracy. IEP goal number 1: past tense verbs. Number 1. Today I will talk to my brother. Yesterday I. Number 2. Today I will work. Yesterday I. Number 3. Today I will move my car. Yesterday I. Number 4. Today I will push the swing. Yesterday I. Number 5. Today I will answer the phone. Yesterday I. Let's continue to goal number 2. English, language arts, and reading. Objectives: by the end of the 9 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, after making an inference about a grade level text or being helped to find one if needed, Matthew will underline the pieces of the text that give clues to the inferences at a rate of 70% accuracy. Let's begin. Where am I? Direction: read each passage below. Write where you think the passage is happening and explain your answer. Let's begin with number 1. As I walked in the door, I was amazed at the beautiful colors and smells. I knew it would be hard to decide what I would buy with my $3. The chocolate truffles looked delicious, but they were expensive. The jelly beans were not only cheaper, but so colorful. With so much to choose from, I knew I would be here a long time. Write your answer below. Where do you think the passage is happening? And why do you think it's there? Number 2. The water felt so good on such a hot day. I heard the other children laughing and yelling across the way. The concrete was wet from a group of teenagers splashing each other in the corner. The lifeguard watched closely to keep children from running. Where do you think the passage is happening? Explain your answer. Number 3. I was allowed to push the cart. The front left wheel was broken, so the cart wobbled down each aisle. Mother put various packages and boxes in the cart, but I didn't notice. I was trying to keep the cart going straight as it got heavier and heavier. Where do you think this took place? Explain why. Number 4. As we entered, a blast of water hit the windshield. Huge flopping sponges began to slap at the hood as we slowly moved forward. Soon there will be suds spilling over the sides. I was glad the windows were rolled up. Where did this story take place? Explain why. Number 5. It felt wonderful to be outside, even if only for a little while. All the swings were already taken, and a group was playing softball on the diamond. Casey and I decided to use the monkey bars until the teacher called us. Where did this take place, and why do you think it took place there? Alright, that's it for today's IEP goals. Please make sure to send me a picture once your IEP goals are completed. Thank you.